Does leadership really fit you? It's tempting to say yes because leadership sounds powerful and prestigious, maybe even glamorous. But the reality is that leadership isn't for everyone. It's not like running a machine or managing technology. Leading people is much messier. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of being a leader. We'll talk about leading people versus managing technology, the importance of technologists, and the inner work of being a leader. Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Broom, CEO of the Center for Human Systems. Welcome to my leadership and self-mastery videos. Let's think about technology for a moment. As mentioned, some people try to lead as if they were running a machine or managing technology. I've worked with rocket scientists at NASA and brain surgeons at major hospitals who were very clear that they preferred working with machines and technology rather than people. Machines and software are mostly predictable. Push the right button, flip the right switch, and you'll usually get the result you expect. If something breaks, you fix the part, run an update, and you're back in business. People, not so much. We bring emotions, egos, fears, ambitions, and contradictions. One day we're energized, the next we are discouraged. Two people might hear the same exact words and interpret them in different ways. That's the world leaders step into. Not neat and mechanical, but complex, dynamic, and ever-changing. So why would anyone choose to lead? Well, there are some powerful upsides. You get to shape direction, culture, and outcomes. You leave fingerprints on the future. Leadership pulls you past your comfort zones. You grow in resilience, awareness, and skill. You help others succeed. You open doors. You build systems that outlast you. You can take an idea and through people turn it into a far bigger reality than you could alone. That's heady stuff, and for many people it's deeply fulfilling. But there's another side. Leadership has its cost. The buck stops with you. The pressure doesn't let up. Unlike machines, people don't come with instruction manuals. They come with histories, moods, and triggers. Leadership often means blurred boundaries, long hours, and carrying stress that others don't have. Fortunately, not everyone is drawn to leading people. Many people prefer working with technology, machinery, or data, systems that are more predictable, precise, and controllable. And leaders need them. In fact, they're essential. Leaders may set the vision, but without the technologists, the builders, operators, and technical experts, that includes the specialized scientists and engineers, the vision doesn't become reality. People who love technology and machines bring precision, accuracy, and craftsmanship. They solve problems that require focus and precision. Comparing people to machines sharpens this picture. Machines are predictable, people are variable. Machines are controlled by commands. People are influenced by relationships. Machines need maintenance. People need growth and encouragement. Machines suffer breakdowns that you repair. When people hit breakdowns, if handled with care, they can become breakthroughs. Machines are built for efficiency. People, when well led, create synergy and innovation. Leading people is a different skill set and provide different rewards. The reward of leading is watching people grow and building something great together. The reward of working machines is the clarity and satisfaction of mastering systems that respond with precision. Of course, there are many examples of successful technologists who became excellent leaders as well. On the other hand, there are many successful technologists who, when promoted into leadership, didn't have the skill set to do very well. I imagine they should have been promoted, just not into leadership. So the question shouldn't be, do you want to be a leader? The real question is, Are you ready for the inner work of leadership, to work on yourself? Are you prepared to check your ego when criticism or resistance comes? Are you prepared to deal with the egos of others? Are you willing to stay curious when emotions flare instead of trying to clamp down with control? Can you carry the weight of responsibility without losing yourself to stress? Are you ready to lead not for personal glory, but to create conditions where others can thrive? In closing, if your answer is yes, then leadership can be one of the most rewarding journeys you'll ever take. Not because it's easy, it isn't, but because it asks you to become more aware, more resilient, more compassionate, and a better listener. So before you step into leadership, ask yourself again, am I sure I want this? Am I ready for both the privilege and the price? Because leadership isn't just about the role you take, it's about the person you choose to become. Thanks for watching. See you next time.